Some of the world's deadliest killers are hiding in plain sight. The box jellyfish, transparent, nearly invisible. And its sting can stop your heart in minutes. The saltwater crocodile, a 2,000-pound stealth missile with jaws that can crush bone. The Cape buffalo, nicknamed Black Death for a reason, more lethal than lions. The cone snail looks like a pretty seashell. But one sting and you might not make it home. And finally, mosquito, the tiniest killer on Earth, spreading diseases to millions every year. And the scariest part, you've probably been near one of these without even knowing. Which one would you never want to meet?